students, welcome. So today we are going to start third chapter from prose. The name of the chapter is Deep Water, and this chapter is written by William Douglas. So let us start this chapter. First of all, I will tell you in brief about the author and then the summary. As you can see, there is a picture of William Douglas. He was born in 1898 and he died in 1980. After graduation, Bachelor of Arts in English and Economics, he spent 2 years in Yakima. He was teaching in high school and he got tired of this and he decided to pursue a legal career. So he met Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale and he became an advisor and friend to the president. Consequently, he became leading advocate of individual rights. He worked as a judge also at Supreme Court of USA and he retired in 1975 after completing 36 years of service, and he remains the longest service justice in the history of the court. And now it is time for the summary. Deep Water. This story is actually about William Douglas. In his autobiography of Men and Mountains, he has written about how he was hydrophobic, how he was afraid of water, fear of water. In this piece, he tells about his fear of water and how he conquered it by determination and willpower. As a child, when he was 3 or 4 years old, he would go to the beach in California with his father. He would get scared by the might of the huge waves which swept over him, and it instilled a fear in his subconscious mind. A few years later, he joined a swimming pool where he was pushed into the pool by another boy and experienced death closely. Many years after that incident, he stayed away from water, but his desire motivated him to overcome his fear. He learned swimming with the help of an instructor who ensured that William knew swimming well enough to be able to swim in huge lakes and waterfalls also. Still, when he would swim, the fear from his childhood experiences embedded in his subconscious mind would grip him over and over again. To conquer that fear, he challenged it, and finally it would vanish as it was baseless. William realized that death is peaceful and it is the fear of death that is terrorizing. So in this way we have done introduction and summary. Okay, and now it is time for line by line explanation of the chapter.